pulling this section of the wall apart. See the cracks.
We can't start clearing until we shore up the foundation stability.
This mansion had hidden itself on an island. The forest had swallowed it. Vines had climbed the walls. Trees had reached in through the windows. Nature had seeped in through every gap. But the structure was still standing. Its domes were still looking up at the sky. Its columns were still holding, as if it was defying nature. "Tear me down," it said. "You cannot," it said. Once people lived in this mansion. Wealthy people, powerful people. Morning coffees were drunk on those balconies looking out over the sea. Guests passed through that great door. Decisions were made in those corridors. Then everyone left. When the workers arrived that morning, the mansion was waiting for them, patiently, just as it had been waiting for years. And we began.
This section of the staircase needs immediate shoring. And the support for the chandelier looks unstable. It's pulling away from the ceiling joists up here. I'm taking these panels out the left side. All right, clear the way for the vacuum. This part is heavy, watch your step.
In a mansion, the entrance is not just a door. The entrance is a declaration. It says, "I am here." It says, "I matter." When you step inside, you are meant to feel small. You are meant to feel small in the face of the mansion's greatness. These stairs were designed for that.
From above.
As you climb up, the mansion greets you, step by step.
Is that section smooth yet?
We restored this entrance
Almost there.
and these
Just
stairs
finishing
in a
the
way
edge.
worthy of that greeting.
This section here is completely compromised.
Agreed. And look at the decay on the throne itself. We should prioritise these areas for stabilisation.
In every great mansion, there is one room, a room different from all the others. Higher ceilings, larger, heavier. When you enter that room, the body feels something. There is power here, there is authority here, there is history here. A throne is not just a chair. A throne is a statement. It says, "I am here." It says, "I am permanent." This room was restored in a way worthy of that statement.
Does this fold look even from your angle?
A little higher on the left. We need to clear the carving.
The structural integrity of the bed frame is compromised here.
Confirmed. The water damage from the wall seems to have spread underneath.
powerful people sleep too. They make decisions, give orders, run the world. But when night falls, they close that great door and become just a person. This bedroom existed for those moments. Away from the noise of the day, away from the shadow of power, simply to rest. Morning sunlight would enter this room from the sea, and with that light, everything would begin again. We restored this room to bring those mornings back. Luxury lives in the small details. The bathroom of a mansion cannot be ordinary. It must have marble. It must have gold. Someone who enters here every morning must feel like they are in the most beautiful place in the world. And this mansion once made people feel exactly that. We brought that feeling back. In every stone, every fixture, every detail. This was the place where conversations happen. Not decisions, conversations. Because the greatest decisions
All right, the area's
sometimes
clean.
begin
Let's
like
start with the toilet
conversations.
flange.
A glass is raised.
Okay.
A fireplace
I'm organizing
burns.
the fittings for the sink
sea
now.
is visible through the window. And in that setting, a single word changes history. This living room was the stage for those conversations. Now it is ready again.
Are we sure about the salvage projection for the dining set?
The water damage is worse than the photos suggested. It might be a total loss.
Is that table cleared yet? Almost. Just need to wipe it down. I'm starting on the sweeping over here. All right, team. Focus on the upholstery now. When you finish the table, start on those walls.
behind great banquets, there are great kitchens. This mansion hosted dozens of guests. Every one of those guests ate food that came from this kitchen. Every banquet began here. Every morning breakfast was prepared here. The kitchen was invisible, but everything passed through it. We restored this kitchen in a way worthy of that honor.
All right, lights coming on now.
Wow, that makes a difference.
Beautiful. Almost there.
The extent of the decay is worse than we expected.
We'll need a structural report on that east wall immediately.
I agree, it's unstable.
I stepped back, and I looked.
This dust is
The mansion
everywhere.
was different
I'm
now.
making progress on
The
this
vines
sink,
were gone.
but it's tough.
The walls were
Keep
gleaming.
at it, we're almost there.
The stairs
Look
were
at these
calling
pots
upward.
shine.
The great door was open, and light was seeping through from inside. Was this the same mansion? Yes. The same walls, the same dome, the same columns. But now it was alive. It was breathing, as if it had never ended, as if it had only withdrawn to wait for a while. And now it had come back. The forest tried to swallow it. Time tried to bring it down. But this mansion did not fall, because some structures are not made of just stone and mortar, they are made of story. And stories do
Check
not
the alignment
end.
on this side.
This was a design concept.
Working on it now.
Nothing you saw
almost
was
smooth.
real. But that feeling, that balcony looking out over the sea, that great door, those stairs, those rooms was always real. It will always be real. Which room of this mansion would be yours? Tell me below. If this video pulled you in, there is a playlist on your screen. None of them look like this one.
The layout looks perfect now.
Step back, everyone, take a look. It's magnificent.
The craftsmanship is evident everywhere.